Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can do about factorization by s. This one by y. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by 1 plus s squared and 1 minus y squared. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate on this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equal to 1 plus s squared. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2s. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. And now we have the final answer in here. About u, that is about this one. So, the integration of this one, that is about this one. So, the integration of this one, that is about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 minus y squared. So we apply the same formula from here. And now I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.